ahead with our next guest of honor. We are delighted to have among us Madam Vineet K. Gill, National Professional Officer, Tobacco Free Initiative, World Health Organization, India Office. Ma'am is a seasoned management professional with 25 years of experience in marketing, public health, and developmental sector. Ma'am has worked extensively in UN and private sector and developed unique proficiency in strategic planning, health policy, and program management. Ma'am, I request you to apprise the delegates about the emerging challenges from tobacco industry and strategies to counter them. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to wish all of you tobacco warriors a very, very happy World No Tobacco Day. And to begin with, I would like to say thanks to the Honorable Health Minister, Government of Jharkhand, जिन्होंने बहुत inspiringly हम लोग को आज address किया, and it is truly an honor to have him here. I would also like to thank Dr. Swasti Charan from the Ministry of Health and all the honorable guests here today. Dr. R.P. Gupta, Professor Amarjeet Singh, Dr. Dhoble, and of course the entire team of the organizers, Dr. Sonu Goyal, Dr. Rakesh Gupta, and our dear colleague, Dr. Rana. Thank you everyone for really making this possible. Usually on World No Tobacco Day, we are all somewhere in a hotel in Delhi, and it's a very high energy sort of an atmosphere. One would have missed it this year, but thanks to you all, we are all together here again. Just to share with you that we'll be organizing an online event for World No Tobacco Day very soon, and we'll be declaring the details very soon. As you're all aware, WHO instituted the World No Tobacco Day back in 1987. The first World No Tobacco Day was commemorated in 1988. The purpose was basically to raise awareness about the tobacco epidemic and the harm it causes, and also call for action to countries, member states, policymakers, and the masses to protect themselves and others from tobacco control. For me, it's a very special World No Tobacco Day today. I joined WHO back in 2001, and my first World No Tobacco Day was in 2001, the theme of which was secondhand smoke. So I feel very honored to be part of this movement for the last 20 years. This year, of course, the theme has been shared by everyone, but what I would like to share with you is the power of World No Tobacco Day. The power lies in the themes which are, brought to the forefront year after year. And I would like to share two major themes with you, which I had the honor to be part of, and then see the transition from the call for action to actual policy with the help of all of you present here and beyond today. The first World No Tobacco Day, which I mentioned, was, of course, the first one, the secondhand smoke. And this was 2001. And by 2008, on 2nd October, India was declared smoke-free by by the government of India by prohibiting smoking in all public places. It took about 7 years, but I think it was a hugely successful initiative. The other one, which took a little longer, is the World No Tobacco Day 2003, which called out for tobacco-free films and fashion. And it is a great honor to be part of this group, and a special appreciation for the Government of India and the state governments for implementing the tobacco-free film and TV rules, which were implemented 9 years later from that World No Tobacco Day, from 2003 to 2012. So with that, what I would like to say is that this year's theme will also go very far in changing policy. This year's theme calls for three things, basically: expose, alert and empower, expose the tobacco industry, alert the influencers, the role models, the policymakers on this concern, and empower the youth of India to take action against this epidemic. The other thing I think why this theme is very important for India is because the Indian population is perfect for all, all such manipulations. We have the world's youngest population. We have 50% of our population of 1.3 billion of us are under the age of 21. So there's a huge market. We are a growing economy, and also products which appeal to youth are available at very cheap prices, anything starting from 2-3 rupees up to 10 rupees. You can get a pack of smokeless tobacco, BDs, and also loose sticks of cigarettes. So with that, I would like to again thank all the organizers for getting us all together today, and wishing you all a lot of uh, power in your journey ahead. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate Mr. Deepak Mishra, who has been awarded with the Global World No Tobacco Day Award for this year. We will, of course, find an opportunity to meet him and give him this award. But congratulations again, Mishra.